Welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add featured photos or videos to your profile using the Facebook featured photo settings. Let's get right into it by starting up the Facebook app on our phone. And in here, you want to click the three horizontal lines in the top right for Android and in the bottom right for iOS. So click those, which will get you to your menu. In here, you want to click your profile. At the top, it says see your profile. So click that. Now in here, you want to scroll down. Then you see friends and all these things. But what you want in here is click edit public details. And in here, you can see profile picture, cover photo, bio, and all these things. But if you scroll down further, it says hobbies and then featured. If you haven't added any featured photos yet, it says try it, as it does for me. So click try it. You can then choose the photos you want to upload from your camera roll. Click next. You can now title it, give it a title. Football. There you go. You can add more by clicking add more just below the one you added. And that way you can add a collection or a carousel one like you know from Instagram. If you're fine with all these settings, click save. It's now uploading the picture. Once it's uploaded, as you can see, saving featured collection. It will be in the Facebook featured photo settings. And there you go. Here it is, featured. It says football. If you go back to a profile, you can see about info. It says football just below. And we have successfully added a Facebook featured photos. I hope this video could help you out. If it did, please leave a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.